Hi everybody, I'm Tastin Averfoot. Um, yeah, this is me. Yay! No editing in May. Yes, that's the rule. No editing in May. So, if you're gonna vlog this, don't edit it. You're not allowed to edit. Okay. Um. Anyway, so I was speaking with GF of Seamus, and she has agreed to go ahead and let me have Monday's question of the day. So, yay! Yay for me. Woo! I get to be first. Well, no. Sunday is actually first. But anyway, okay. Irrelevant. Okay, so Slytherin's question of the day. Now, if you're Ravenclaw, Gryffindor, or Hufflepuff, this question does not pertain to you. But if you're Slytherin, answer it. Okay, actually, I'm hoping that the Slytherins do answer this because, well, this is my first question of the day and I'm kind of nervous. Okay, yes, I will admit that I'm nervous. As you can see, I'm not Natalie Portman, even though Natalie Portman is my little avatar. I'm not her. Okay, I'm beating around the bush. Question of the day today is what is your favorite ship? What are your favorite ships? And why? And if you don't have a favorite ship or if you don't ship at all, why? Alright, so my favorite ship is Draco and Hermione. I also I don't ship, but I read a lot of Snape and Hermione and Lucius and Hermione. Well, my reason for Draco and Hermione happened a couple years ago. I had read a story about Draco and Hermione, and it was very well written. It was very well written, and it was just an awesome story. So, ever since then, I've been Hermione hooked. I've written stories myself of Draco and Hermione. Links to my stories. If you haven't read my stories, read them. Yeah. Anyway, other than that, I mean, as far as Lucius and Hermione and Snape and Hermione, I haven't really written anything. I did write one Snape and Hermione, but I don't feel I can do Snape enough justice to write him, so I didn't continue it or anything. I even said in my profile that I wasn't going to continue it because I didn't feel right about writing about Snape, so I just didn't. And I think a lot of it too has to do with, why I choose Hermione over, like, say, Narcissa or whatever, I read a lot of Hermione ships, simply because, I relate to her a lot. I'm not an only child. I do have two brothers, but having two brothers, I guess to the point sometimes where you're like, well, I got two brothers, so I'm I'm an only girl, so it still works out a bit. That and with the hair, my hair used to be like up to here until I figured out how to get it under control. So I'm doing really good with that. And I mean, I've always been smart. I'm not a stickler for like homework and stuff like that. So all throughout school, I like rarely ever did homework, and I still graduated with an AB average. So if I would have done my homework, I probably would have been made straight A's, just like Hermione. And I was always asking questions just like Hermione. I still ask questions just like Hermione. That's the reason why I chose to have Monday's question of the day. Yay! Okay, so again, I answered the question. So now it's your turn. What's your favorite ship or ships, and why? And if you don't ship or if you don't have a favorite ship, explain why. All right, that's gonna be it for me. Bye.